Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Well, it's only once in a while I use a Pokemon that fits my channel's name. Today we're gonna have the ice cream. Running specs Vanillux with freeze drive, blizzard, hidden power fighting. So you can hit the Tyranitar and Heatran and stuff. And flash cannon. This is one of from Pure Heart. He's used it before, but choice card. I try choice specs to see how well it does. I think it will do like pretty well. Not gonna be a stretch. Yeah, no pressure, Vanillux, but I expect you to do well. Because, Specs Blizzard, with no warning, 100% accuracy, it's not something to sneeze at. Although you're gonna sneeze at it, because it's too cold. Okay. Choice got Landorus with Stone Edge, U-turn, Knockoff, and Earthquake. We also have Relaxed Ferrothorn. We have Protect and Gyro Ball. So no Power Whip on this, which means you can't really check Swampert with this guy. I guess you can, but like you have to like switch around a lot, and that's why we also have Lakazam, which has Calm Mind, Focus Blast, Side Shock, and Recover. So this is basically like a bait set for Chansey, because obviously we have a Chansey to deal with for Vanillux to do something, and also Tyranitar, but it does have in power fighting, so maybe you can do stuff. I don't know. There's also Heatran, so a lot of things to worry about. We also have Choice Band Infernape, Adam and Nature with Close Combat, U-turn, Mach Punch, and Glare Blitz. Default is gonna be Mantine, Defog, Toxic, Scald, and Roost. So let's see how well we do. First game. That seems like a regular Alakazam, right? Because no way he's running regular Charizard. There's just no way. There's a Crocodile. He seems very interesting. But anyway, let's lead off with Lando, because there's no harm in doing that, obviously. Am I faster than this guy? Right. I am faster, right? Yeah, 306. So it should be faster. Let's go with U-turn here. Because I assume he's gonna be Scarf. I don't know. Could be Rocks, though. Looks like he's gonna go for knockoff here, probably. I am gonna go Infernape, or like he could get up Rocks. This could be the lead. Taunt. Okay, so we made the right play. So right now I just need to U-turn again. Am I even faster? Yes, I am. Let's U-turn again on the Gyarados. Nice. What? This one is regular Gyarados, right? I have to ask myself every time. Let's go into the ice cream here. I believe we click Blizzard. I could click Freeze Dry, but I think the Ferrothorn is gonna come out probably. Maybe he doesn't know that though. Let's go for Freeze Dry. Let's just not predict yet. Okay, nice. Let's just not predict yet and get our first kill with the ice cream. Woohoo! That was early. Very early. Like the first kill ever. Charizard comes out. I don't know if you're Block Y or X. We want to keep this? Not really. I'm like slower than everything. Except for the Ferrothorn. So yeah, I'm just gonna get some chip. In case it's X. No, just in case. And here comes Charizard Y. Flamethrower. Okay, I'm happy with 1 kill. That's what we need. 1 kills, guys. 1 kills. So I am gonna go Landorus. So I threatened the Stone Edge. But I'm not gonna click Stone Edge, obviously. If I go Mantine, it's gonna be very likely he's gonna go Ferrothorn. I don't want to predict that. And if I got this wrong, it doesn't matter because I'm gonna go Mantine regardless. Yep. At least get some chip on him. We go for Ancient Power. Really? Are you really going for that? Bro, stop. Stop doing that. Stop. I forbid you. My Flare Blitz looks pretty good now because the oh, he got it because the Gyarados is dead. He got it, but it's still not doing any damage though. Let's be real here. I have a lot of special defense. Let's just roost. Ancient Power deals no damage. Yep, nice. With this, just roost, don't have to Scald. If the Ferrothorn comes in, I go hard Infernape. That's all we need anyway. He's just sacking his Charizard. Why? Why would you do that? I don't know. Scald again. Okay. I should just roost, to be honest. But it's fine. I'm impatient. so I can't wait forever. Yep. Charizard's gone. That's good. That's good, right? Good. Ferrothorn comes out. Do I need this for anything else? Maybe Alakazam could be annoying, but I do have Scarflanders, so yeah. Not really something we should be scared of. Let's go into Infernape here. And we shall click Fire Blitz. Leech, doesn't matter. You die to one shot anyway. Let's go. Blitz! Switch out into Mimikyu. Wow. You gonna get burned? No. Unfortunately, I'm slower, but do I lit this, actually? Oh, he's gonna think I'm jolly, though. So he shouldn't be. Nope, he doesn't think so. He's like, nah, you adamant. Maybe he doesn't even know my speed here. Okay, at least we got rid of that. So that's nice. Ferrothorn is gonna be annoying, though. So Crocodile, Ferrothorn, and Alakazam, right? So let's just go Landorus here. He has no ground immunity. Let's go Landorus. Landorus. Do I knock off? But then my supplements can get knocked off too. If he has knockoff, that is. I'll just go for this. It's fine. So Alakazam here. I have Magic Guard. Yep. I'm just gonna Calm Mind to see how he will react, because I intimidate him. So his attack is not that high. So let's see. Let's see how well do I take this. Gyro Ball. Apparently not that well, guys. I just want to like click this so I can sweep with Earthquake, you know? Imagine. Okay, we hit that. And this Ferrothorn is gone. Nice. I'm 31 speed as well, so. Yep, Alakazam. Let's just get some damage with Side Shock, and then we sweep with Earthquake. Yeah, he's a regular Alakazam. Oh, he dies. What? Bro. That's weird. Okay, well, I guess that's too much. Nice. Great. Got one kill with Gyarados, and that's all I wanted in that game anyway. Okay, offense? Just straight up hyper offense. I don't know what lead he's gonna use. Probably Infernape. Let's go into our own Infernape. Well. Ooh, this is the ice cream matchup, but I need to position myself very carefully. Let's go, let's go. I'm gonna lead off with this. I want rocks first. Let's go with Ferrothorn immediately. Wow. It's just the rocker, right? Yeah, nothing special here. I mean, he might have Spike as well, you know? Who knows? Let's go Infernape here. Might just go for Spike here, and I have to default anyway. That's very sad. That is very sad indeed. And my ice cream is not gonna have enough endurance. Hat. Okay. Because of the Stealth Rock. I have Thunder Punch. Run. Yep. That's good. Respect my Infernape. That deals a lot of damage though. That was crazy. Okay, so let's go for ice cream here. I change the weather. I click Blizzard. Blizzard for free and kill something. Hopefully it's Ferrothorn. Swampert sad. Let's go for Blizzard. No freeze dry. No need to. Just hit Blizzard, you know? Let's go Ferrothorn. Let's see how well it takes. Depends on the nature. 93. Wow! He's physically defensive. Good luck. Yay! I killed Ferrothorn. Nice. Now I just click freeze dry and everything dies, probably. I don't know. Let's hope so. So, Helper. Do I just get Blizzard here? Like, risk the 70%? Why not? It's Focus Blast. Guys, Focus Blast anyway. Not like he have a switch in though. He's probably gonna have to Scald or U-turn here. And pray for the dodge. I don't know. I'm not sure about the switching. This is your, like, one of the faster mon. Okay. Well, I'll take the second one. Nice. Vanillux lives up to expectation. It's quite an obscure mon, but when I expect it to do well, it kind of has to, you know? Wink wink, kind of have to. Let's go for Ferrothorn. I don't know if he has anything to like hit this. He's probably gonna go for the Ice Punch first, I don't know. Earthquake still safe though. Still safe. Power Up Punch, okay, you're gonna take a lot of damage. See guys, you don't even need the... Wait a second. You don't even need to just protect here, stall out from the Ranger. Yeah, don't need to Power Whip. Because this guy is already super low. Thanks to your U-turn, by the way. Yeah, okay. We tank that. Gyro Ball. Fun set. Bro, if you're Jolly, you better run like Metal Jump. Protect here. One more turn. Funny Belly Drum. Extreme sweet. But that's not. Stealth Rock, a Sticky Web, Spore, and Time. Hyper Offense. Not Hyper Offense, but like offense in general, like web offense. Okay, what did he use again? Surf? Doesn't matter. Let's go Mantine. Mantine! I don't think he sacked Toxic Croak, because Toxic Croak would sit on this Mantine and just set up all the way. It's gonna be very annoying for me to deal with. So he has... Ferrothorn is dead, right? Yeah, so this Toxic is super great. Yeah, just Toxic. Da-da-da-da! It's not looking good for him. Oswald. He probably has Taunt. I don't know. Let's check the damage first. If it deals... Oh, okay, that's Assault Vest. But like max special defense Assault Vest, I think. That's weird. Bruce. Yep. You have no way to deal with this Mantine. Like, just no way. The Ice Cream! Just kill everyone. Too bad it's a little bit slow for the Rain team, even outside Rain, so... Yeah, maybe that's why Pure Heart, he ran Choice Guard, yeah. No! Why you go for Ice Beam? Trying to freeze me? Excuse me? Bruce? Rose? Bro, I'm scared. I click Scald here so I can thaw. Had he frozen me. Scald? Yes. Nice. Anyway. Okay, let's keep going. So Blizzard also looks pretty good here, but I'm like significantly slower than the three of these. So our target is, yeah, gonna be this three. It's not that bad. Let's go with Landorus, because why not? Let's go down Manhunt. Do I just Earthquake immediately? I feel like I shouldn't. I mean, he should be faster, right? I don't know. Yeah, he's also Choice Guard. But that's good, because we get a slower U-turn. Very nice. Do it die to one Flamethrower from Togekiss? Or it's just gonna go for... okay. That's cool. Looks like physically defensive. Ferrothorn. And I'm gonna count the Ice Cream. I know we did a lot, like in the last game, but like I don't think that's enough at the moment. Vanillux. Choice Specs. 65 to 77. Yeah, I need a little bit more chip. Wait, it's Rocky Helmet though. Is it enough? It's in range, but like very weird range. Go for this. Just click flap this now. I don't care about Jellicent, right? Yeah, not really. I don't want to U-turn on this guy as he's like just stay in, because why not? Yay, Ferrothorn! Yay, tanks everything. Yeah, why would I do that? Let's see how well it takes. Jellicent. Yo, he's Curse Body? What? Not even... Not even Water Absorb. That's weird. So... let's go Ferrothorn. Don't mind the Willow Whips. I just want to get rocks first. He might have Taunt though. He's gonna go for Willow Whips. Makes sense. Let's see if he has Taunt. I think he does. His attack should be... I don't know. Is it Hex or Scald? If it's just Scald, then I can go Alakazam and do some stuff. Okay, it's just Scald. Doesn't matter then. Let's go Alakazam. Just Calm Mind up. Maybe he's gonna switch out, who knows. He has a Muck anyway. So I go Lando here, right? On the Muck. And I just keep U-turning. This is gonna be interesting. Well, at least I think going Ferrothorn is correct. Because if he predict that, at least I don't lose anything. Yeah, here comes a Muck. I would love you to like hit me and get the Rocky Helmet. And Rough Skin Chip. That's all I need. It's gonna go toward our Alakazam victory. Nice! Hit me. Whee! It was great, guys. Definitely great. He also has an Alakazam of his own. It's not fun. So for Leech here, I don't even think 500 kill me in this range. So his own Ferrothorn. Makes sense. Now the next time I come in with my Vanillux, it's gonna do massive damage. Okay, let's go Infernape again. Infernape? This time we're gonna quick U-turn. Yeah, get rocks. Okay, U-turn. U-turn! I don't click Leblitz that freely yet. What's happening? Okay. We're in. Now. I wanna go this. I click Freeze Ray. The Ferrothorn should be in range because it's physically defensive. Should be in range of like a 2-ish kill. So that's nice. Is he gonna expect the Freeze Dry suppression? Let's go for Freeze Dry here. Freezed Dry. He has no switching anyway. Nice. Oh, it dies! Critical hit. I don't even know if that mattered because it's super effective and reassuring spec. But hey, we take those. We take those. If Muck comes out, do I just attack it? Right? I think that's correct. Or maybe I sack Ferrothorn. Yeah, maybe sacking Ferrothorn is not bad. So Jellicent is dead. Now my Infernape can quick suck. You know, the Mantan looks kind of threatening though. With the rocks up. Ferrothorn. What do I do here? I switch out. And then I come in and just Blizzard. Probably makes sense. Let's go into our own Ferrothorn. We have Spike. If you have Spike, I should debuff. Knock off, okay. Don't mind that. Nice, you're in range now. All that matters. I burned. I just click Leech to eternity until I die. Protect, okay. Yep. Yeah, I'm just sacking this, so I can go into Jellicent. I mean, Vanillux after. Just kill it. Got it all. Suicide. Ugh. Yes, protect, so maybe no spike. Yeah, just knock off again. Nice. Just in time to reset the hail. And we just click Blizzard. So, by getting rid of this, I don't have to click Focus Blast against it anymore. Nice. dead. 2 kills. Guys, Vanillux is doing works right now. Doing wonders. Yeah, I should sack this now, right? Nothing left. Yeah, I'll just sack it. Although it's nice to keep if you can sack someone else, but you can't. So, yeah. Snow warning. Psychic's gonna kill me. Knocked me out there. That's okay, because I can go into my Lando. Just click U-turn. I could click like Stone Edge, but it's not necessary. Like, is it necessary though? Because there's Togekiss. Maybe I should. I don't know. Or click knock off actually. Because I'm gonna knock off the Togekiss Choice Scarf, and that's good. Yeah? Yeah. Let's go for knockoff. That's always good. I mean, Stone Edge kills, but if you miss, it's gonna cost you a lot. But yeah. Pretty sure this play. Oh, he's leftovers anyway. He's not even Choice Scarf. Huh. Interesting. That means you have Thunder Wave? Or like, what? I don't know. Go Mantine. Don't know. Have Nasty Plot. That's gonna be devastating. Thunder Wave, okay. That's cool, I guess. Yeah, this looks pretty dang dangerous. So toxic. Don't let him roost. He's gonna roost anyway. We land though. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. It's just gonna roost here. Do we care if Alakazam comes in? It might be dangerous if he has Calm Mind. Right, but at the end of the day, your lander is still alive. So. Yeah, I would happily trade this because then my Earthquake should sweep. Maybe. There's still a Darmanitan, so I don't know. Going Muck. Okay. I'm gonna go straight into Infernape right now, honestly. Or like, do we defog? Defog good? I really want to keep the Mach Punch as well. This is nice for the Darmanitan in case. This is tough. I don't go Landorus, that's for sure. I think we roost first to see how much damage. Not a lot. He must paralyze me as well. Okay, let's go with Defog. Gong Shot, wow, that's gonna do a lot. Help. I'm gonna go Infernape here. As much as I want to keep it. Maybe defogging the Cell Box, not that good. Okay, nice. He's gonna go for knockoff. Cool. Now I can go for Blood Blitz. Safe. Safe and sound. Kill something. It's gonna be Togekiss, nice. Hi. Do I die to recoil? I don't think so. At least I know I'm faster. So just splits again. Yeah. So, Muck is gonna come out. Shadow Sneak. Does that even matter? Like, do you even kill me? I don't know. Let's find out. Shadow Sneak kills. Okay, it's then goes to Landorus. Now the Darmanitan looks kind of scary. Not gonna lie. Is it faster than my? Oh, it is. So dangerous. Let's go for Earthquake. It's gonna sneak. No! Crit and poison? Come on, man. Come on. Don't give me that. Crit and poison. That's the worst. Pretty sure I have to sack this. I'll die. Oh my goodness. I'll click U-turn though. That's good. I'm pretty sure it's just Blood Blitz and just win. But he clicked U-turn, so that means I can go into this. And I click Earthquake, get a kill. But he has Rock Slide. Ah. That's why the poison sucks. That is why the poison sucks. Yep, okay, I guess we lost this one. That is weird, but okay. Sack to Manson. I guess he has Calm Mind, right? At the end of the day. Let's go for this. Mantine. I'll just Ruse. Water Absorb. I do have Toxic though. But if he has like Substitute, I'm out. I'm out. Maybe he's like standard Psychic. Psychic. Yep. Well, there's still the yellow color here, so don't get your hopes up, you guys. Shadow Ball. He's trying to drop my special defense, which is a legit strategy. Definitely. And I have to Toxic too. It's not like I can do anything else. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it's gonna be painful. Maybe I should risk the Soul Nash on the Togekiss. That would be like a much better position. Yep, he got it. He got a drop. Good game. Yeah, nothing I can do. It's fine. We got 2 kills with Ice Beam. Oh, what? We just talked to him. Anyway, his team has no ground immunity, so I don't think that's the way it works. But okay, let's go for this to get up the hill. So he has like 1 limit, 1 hazard only. That's good. Let's go for Blizzard. Spore. Okay. Yeah, I'm fine with this being Spore because my goal is to be it's gonna be like winning with Flanders anyway. Yep, that's good. We're not fast enough for this miracle. Is it 262? Yeah. Let's go for Landorus. The Sash broken. That's why I get up the hill anyway. After that, go for Earthquake. Because it's free. It's so free. You don't even need to sleep. Yep. That's 1 Earthquake. Gotta keep Landorus alive. But we are ahead of kills, and Landorus is not affected by Sticky Web, so that's good. If it goes Lopunny, I'm definitely gonna go Ferrothorn. So, good start. Is that Chandler like substitute Calm Mind? Then it could be a problem. Because I can't toss it, you know. I can Scald it, I guess. I want to defog as well. He has no Bishop either. That's cool. Gonna go Chronon. So I'm pretty sure my Infernape is like still faster. Is it? Maybe he's Dragon Dance, who knows? Is it faster? No, not really. Not quite. I could just Earthquake here, but I don't think I should. I can go Ferrothorn. Ferrothorn! Knock off immediately. Okay. Now, I do want Stealth Rock. Oh, okay. But this is interesting. Because I do want to defog as well. Like what? What do you want? Just tell me. Rock here. Neo King's gonna come out. Do we have like Thunderbolt? I don't know, man. This thing is weird. Do I just get up Hill again in case he Sash? Go with Gyro Ball. Go with Stealth Rock. Is he a rocker? That's weird. Okay, so that's gonna make it less likely that he's Thunderbolt. Yeah, so let's go Mantine here. Mantine! Is that Coron Bandit? I don't know. I have no idea. I should count that. Actually. Okay, let's just Seafall. Does it have like Taunt as well? This could run Taunt. It's not gonna stay in. It's gonna go Mantine. Yeah, I have no idea. But now at least I defog, so my Mach Punch is always gonna be faster. We sack Ferrothorn. If he's Bandit, he's gonna kick Knock Off. Yeah, it should be Bandit right here. I don't see any other explanation. Could go Landorus with Earthquake. I think I go this though, just in case he's turned out to be like not Bandit, then it could be very bad. It's just my turn here. Like, I prioritize keeping my Lando. I could have gone to the ice cream. That would be great. At least we know. So we can go Lando here. And click Earthquake, gets another kill. Yep, his leftovers probably substitute. Let's go for Earthquake again. Another kill for the Landers. If Koran comes out now, would we sack? I think we can afford to sack this, right? Because we're in Earthquake. Oh, sack this. Just sack this. So for the knockoff, or we click Aqua Jet. That's good for us. Yeah. Yeah, pretty sure he's banded now. Let's go for Toxic. Gudra. Yeah, Gudra. Thunderbolt. I believe my Infernape lives every hit. Let's go Infernape. We killed the Chandelier, right? Yeah, we did. So close combat 3. Oh, he's banded. Yeah, I always forgot about that. But he's so weak though. This close combat, kill it. Pretty sure this kills. Yep. Nice. Now Mach Punch looks kinda nice. Oh, okay. Looks kinda nice. Lopunny finally comes out. Like to sack something. Sack the ice cream. Not the matchup for it, obviously, because he's very offensive. Not the matchup. Mega Evolve, sack this. Does he have quick attack, is the question. I don't know. We'll find out. Quick Blizzard. Alright, Jump Kick killing me. I'm pretty sure return kill as well. My defense not bad though. Go Alakazam. Mega Evolve, quick Side Shock. No switching. I guess Crawdon is switching. But like, yeah, I'm sacking Mantine anyway. Or I can just click Focus Blast here. Do we want to do that? Not really. Let me just sack Mantine. It's not too important here. And then we go Infernape, do stuff. Do stuff. Knockoff. It's not about how you know he's going to knock off, it's just that you don't need to do anything crazy. Let's go into Infernape. I have 6%. 8. That's enough. Or maybe click U-turn, who knows? Let's click U-turn. On the Nidoking, nice. Do that. Let's just go Lando. Yeah, we have enough sack. Enough sack. Let's click U-turn. Go into Infernape. He might think he win with Aqua Jet now, but he's not. I always want to keep this for Mach Punch. If he goes Grunt, I'm gonna Mach Punch. Yeah, he has a slim chance of winning with Aqua Jet. I'm gonna shut it down right now, clicking Mach Punch. Yep. Nice, and Lopunny is gonna get handled by these two. Lopunny, Mach Punch. Yep, let's go Alakazam. Quick Side Shock. Quick Attack crit doesn't even kill me. No way! Side Shock. Yep. Nice, cool. Let's get one more. Last game. Also an offensive team. Lycanroc. Interesting. That's gonna be his lead, right? Probably. So as usual, just lead off with this. Break the sash. Oh, he's go with Bishop. Bro. Let's see. Look. Hidden power fighting. Let's go. Let's go! We got him. Hidden power fighting. Too good, guys. Too good. That is so funny. It's so Landorus here. I could go Ferrothorn. I mean, I should preserve my Landorus health though. Yeah. Now the hail is gonna remove your sash. Nice. U-turn. Oh, stay in. What do you have anyway? That's weird. You have taunt? Maybe it's gonna taunt. And here's an Endeavor as well. Yeah, now it's click Endeavor. I want rocks so badly. Yeah, I guess we can't do anything to let him Endeavor. Yeah, it happens. Should I just click Earthquake maybe? No, then he's gonna go Dragonite. That's not good. That's not good. Okay, at least I can still get rocks on Road if they let me. Mienshao comes out. I'm not sure what type of Mienshao this is. Are you U-turning? No, we can't click anything else. Click Gyro Ball. High jump kick! Okay. Okay, that's okay. So, at least I can go into Alakazam now. Click Side Shock because Bishop is dead, right? That's cool. I always like that. Just click Side Shock. He's Life Warp too. Not Scarf. What? Quick Fake Out? Bro, don't reveal your moveset. Maybe I should have stayed in regular form actually, so I can trace the multi-scale from Dragonite. Yeah, probably should have, because now he's coming in. Ooh, he's not good. So Medicham, Dragonite, and Rotom. If I keep this, I win. I can't even afford to. Maybe I go Vanilla to, break up his Sash. Okay, so here's why you run Scar, because you want to outspeed this. If it's adamant, that is. Of course, it's gonna attack you now, but it's cool, you know. Yeah, I should have just keep the regular form so I can trace. Okay, that's okay. I go to Landers now. I'm still faster, but I have to hit the Stone Edge now, which is frustrating. Yeah, Stone Edge. It's not killing though. I don't think it kills. Like in no world. Yeah, it's close, but it's not. Oh, what? We should dodge his hail now? Let's sack someone else, right? Well, I could sack this. Yeah. Why not? He has a Rotom anyway. I just need Alakazam. Outrage, he dies to hail. Fantastic. Look at that, Vanillux getting another kill. Yes, it did. It did. Let's go for Infernape here. Maybe he's gonna think I'm jolly and like just give me a kill. Maybe. With Medicham. I'm gonna hit the Rotom Wash for as much damage as possible anyway. I don't know if he's Scarf or not. Well, that's a problem. Okay, let's go for close combat. He's not Scarf, he's gonna take a lot from this, and that's enough for the Side Shock win. Hydro Pump. That's cool. Let's go. Alakazam. Click Side Shock. Yeah! Vanillux and Infernape doing pretty well in this video, actually. They share the Sage, which I did not expect, to be honest. I was just trying to feature one mon, but then the other one also does well. It's nice, you know, it's nice. Fake out. Wait, do I kill this with one Side Shock, actually? A better basic, better boots. I don't think I do, because I have 18 special attack. I'm not even modest. And I have Shadow Ball. Oh, I don't have Shadow Ball though. It could be a mistake. What could I have done differently anyway though? Yeah, nothing. So yeah, just keep it that way. Thunder Punch. Let's go with straight Thunder Punch. Savage. Alakazam. Yeah, I don't think I kill. Guys, I don't think I kill. It's gonna kill me though. No Shadow Ball, unfortunately. Thunder Punch. Yep. Yeah. I mean, that one's pretty weird, but yeah, this is because of our special attack. No, maybe I should have calm mind on the Rotom actually. Yeah, maybe that would have done it. Well, you know, happy with the result, but yeah, we lost some pretty weird games today. But anyway, that's good. Also, comment down below your favorite moment of this video. I would really appreciate if you do it. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.